Director Matibag, would you mind expounding on your statement last night? You said that the NBI would enforce the arrest warrant against Senator De La Rosa without delay. So would it be fair and accurate to say that your agents are now actively pursuing Senator De La Rosa? And if so, without giving away too much, what's the game plan? What are the main challenges? And are there still impending legal obstructions to being able to enforce this arrest warrant?
Well, first of all, there's already an order from DOJ for us to enforce the warrant issued by the ICC. So, there's no reading between the lines. Simple lang, we'll enforce the warrant. Pag nakita namin siya, arrestuin namin siya. Pero hinahanap namin siya ngayon. That is the problem now because of yung nangyari na protective custody ng Senate. Because there was a gentleman's agreement, lalaking usapan na pagka kailangan nang i-present si Senator Baton, the Senate will be the one to present him. Now that there is no TRO na binigay, ibig sabihin, walang status quo ante na binigay, ibig sabihin, the warrant is valid. It can be enforced. So, wala na kaming explanation na bibigay. If there's an ongoing actions that we are undertaking, of course, there's a dedicated teams to look after him. And we will arrest him. Basta nakita namin siya.
And this is a nationwide operation.
NBI is located, meron kaming officers located nationwide, and that is an order to every law enforcement agent of the NBI. And I think the same way with the Philippine National Police.
Are you working within a specific timeline? Are we looking at weeks, months?
We don't have a timeline because if we will see him today, we'll arrest him today. If we will see him tomorrow or next week, we will arrest him. But we are right now looking for him. Kung paano siya umalis noon sa Senado, we're tracking him.
Thank you.
Clarification lang po, Attorney. RR po ulit from PTV4. Attorney, I understand na sabi po ng Supreme Court na wala pong pumipigil sa government na arestuhin si Bato de la Rosa. But clarification lang po na hindi na po natin hihintayin yung complete na Supreme Court ruling on Monday sa pag-implement ng arrest warrant.
Well, with that matter, sa DOJ yan. We are the law enforcement. It's the DOJ who probably will answer on the legalities. There's an order from the Department of Justice to arrest Senator Bato. As a law enforcement group, we will enforce the order of the Department of Justice.
Next question po, Attorney. Baka lang po meron po kayong knowledge kasi sabi po kahapon ng DOJ, as far as they know, meron na pong papers regarding sa Interpol Red Notice. So, meron na po ba or kailan po nag-apply yung government?
Well, I think it's the DOJ also should answer that question. On the matter of law enforcement, we will answer it as long as it will not compromise the ongoing operation.
Pero we confirm po, Attorney, na meron po talaga.
There is a valid warrant that can be enforced.
Meron pong yung Interpol Red Notice po.
It's the DOJ who made that statement. I think I'm not in the position to answer your question. I apologize for that.
Thank you po.
Alas lang si Miss Billionaire.
Hi, Director. Chilem Prido from Abante.
Kamusta po kayo?
Nangungulit lagi sa'yo. Hindi ako iiyak, Director. Director, ano kaya yung sa tingin natin na magiging hadlang o mahirap na para mahuli agad si Senator Bato? Yung ano natin?
Bukod sa mabilis ang tumakbo, siyempre hinahanap natin siya ngayon. No? So the challenge is he's from the law enforcement. So he knows how law enforcement think and move. No? But of course, eventually, yung mga ganyang bagay naman, you can never escape the long arm of the law. So, mahanap at mahanap ka. It goes also to the other fugitives from justice. So, aabot at aabot tayo sa sitwasyon na yan. Just like yesterday, 16 years siya na nagtatago, we were able to arrest it. So, meron naman. Yun nangyari. Kaya lang, syempre, we want it sooner than later.
But we are positive.
Well, we're always positive in the law enforcement because at the end of the day, we have to promote law and order.
Pero nasa loob pa daw ng bansa.
Hindi ko masasabi yan, pero I'm sure wala namang report pa from Bureau of Immigration na lumabas siya. So if we will base on that, nandito pa siya.
Thank you, Attorney.
Sir, umihirit pa si Miss Billionara Channel ko pa daw po.
Sir, good morning. From a law enforcement.
Kamusta ka?
Okay po.
Okay.
Kamusta ka, sir? Okay naman po.
Okay naman.
Okay po. From a law enforcement standpoint and the legal standpoint, can you serve the warrant to the legal counsel?
Well, ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng ganun. Unless yung abogado, siya yung aarestuhin at willing magpakulong, pwede yun. Pero no, because the warrant should be served personally. That is under the rules of court. Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yung idea na ibigay mo sa abogado at siya magsiserve. Baka nagkaroon lang ng mix-up, no, na yung subpoena, yung summons sa warrant. Iba po yung warrant. The warrant of arrest under the rules of court should be received personally by the one being arrested. I said no kasi patagal na akong nag-law school, baka yung mga bagong lawyer may naturo sa kanilang bago, no? Pero to my knowledge, wala. May bagong lawyer. Wala naman, no, attorney, no? So, ganun pa rin. Kailangan personally, no? Alam ko naman yung sinasabi, ikaw naman talaga ho.
Sir, last na. Sir, sususugan ko lang yung tanong ni Chill kanina. Ano yung possibility na nakalabas na si Senator Bato ng bansa through a backdoor channel po?
I hope I can answer that kasi sa law enforcement kami, hindi ko naman pwedeng ma-second guess yung behavior. But ang sinasabi ko lang nga, if we will base it on the records of Bureau of Immigration, walang records pa, no? But you have to, of course, you have to remember yung geographical setup ng Pilipinas, di ba? There are a lot of points of entries and exits. Pero, di ba? So ako na lang, I have to appeal kay Senator Bato, baka nanonood siya. Mas maganda siguro, sumuko na lang siya. Kasi dalawang bagay naman yan Arestuhin ka o sumuko ka. So here's an option na sumuko.
Sir, officially nag-launch na yung NBI ng manhunt operation.
There is an operation being done. There's a dedicated team tracking him to locate him. So meron ginagawang efforts ang NBI, no?
Hi, Direk. MJ po from Inquirer. Direk, pahabol lang. If ever po na yung warrant nga po ay ma-serve na, ano po yung i-expect ng public? Where will he be detained po first? Or i-detain po ba muna siya or ita-transfer na sa ICC katulad ng nangyari kay Express Duterte?
Once the law enforcement got hold of Senator Bato, na-aresto siya, ang next step namin will turn over it to the Department of Justice. And from there, the Department of Justice will be the one to take care of Senator Bato.
And meron po ba kayong panawagan sa public na kunyari tumulong sa paghahanap kay Senator Bato?
Well, hindi na siguro kailangan manawagan ng law enforcement because it's our obligation as a citizens of the country to help kung mayroong mga fugitive from justice na alam natin, to help us. To help the law enforcement to arrest. Lalong-lalo na alam naman natin maraming biktima, no? So we have to, nakita nyo ba yung parang hindi naman na makapagsalita yung mga namatay So this is the process that he has to face. So kailangan sumuko siya and to the public na mayroong knowledge na pwede niyong itulong sa law enforcement, I urge you to help the law enforcement to locate and arrest Senator Bato de la Rosa. Patong sa ulo, buhok ba yung tinatanong mo? Madulos yun. It's not for me to answer, but sabihin ko lang nga talaga, DILG, we have a dedicated team. We are an ongoing operation to locate Senator Bato. Well, ano na yan that is already, yung question nyo kasi meron na tayong presumption tayo, mahirap sagutin yan kasi hindi pa naman nangyayari So right now, I'll go back to what I'm saying, there is an order of DOJ for us to arrest Senator Bato, so we have a team, dedicated teams to locate him and arrest Senator Bato.
Direct last na pinapatanong lang, magkakaroon daw po ba ng like wanted posters? Wanted posters for Senator
Marami na
Bato?
nagpo-post
Pinapatanong lang.
Marami nang nagpo-post, diba? May mga gumawa na, no? So, ang hirap nun, he is now fugitive from justice, he has to answer the law, no? Galing siyang law enforcement. So, I think dapat alam niya kung ano yung tama niyang gawin.
Sir, sorry, last na. Sir, may mga expert kasi na nagsasabi na kapag naaresto si Senator Bato, dito muna siya ikulong at wag mo nang ilipad sa ICC hanggat may pending pa na mga motion, petition sa Supreme Court. Possible ba yun, sir?
Well, that is their position. That's one problem also now in social media, no? Ang daming ng abogado, ang daming ng expert, ang daming ng magaling sa law enforcement, no? So, leave it as that, no? Pag na-arresto namin, we'll turn over to the DOJ, and DOJ will proceed kung ano yung gagawin.
Okay po. Thank you, sir.
Okay.